Okay, so welcome to this divination. I had this feeling like I wanted to just, like, one of those laughs, like, wow, wow, wow. You and your energy. You don't understand by just being you what you actually do. The thing is, it's because what happens is when the light comes out, what people see, you aren't seeing because you're in the dark, like scuffing that, you are, what do I say? If something's blocked, you are digging it out. And so you at the bottom of the trenches, right? And that's why you would find with a lot of spiritual people, like the information that they could give out could be completely not opposite, but close to like opposite with what is actually really going down, because they are able to see what was blocking the light. And so they are there whilst you are bearing the fruits of their labor and enjoying all of this, right? And they are there like, let's go, like digging in, right? And so every conversation, every opportunity to connect to something different outside of yourself forms a mirror reflection to who you say you are. And by you being who you are, then you can find out more information. Do you know what I mean? Like becoming a mirror, basically. So you are on the journey of becoming a mirror. And the thing is, you already are. It's just understanding how clear your visibility is, right? Like you have cleaned your portal is so clear. It's like literally like a mirror. Like when someone is in front of you, they see themselves. And so you can see different reactions, what happens, because they're seeing themselves. And you can notice this with how everybody acts around everybody else, and then how everybody acts and what they say around everybody else other than you. Okay, so energy never lies. Like energy never lies. And if you pick up something funky, it's because there is something funky. Okay. Just FYI, I don't know if there's any confusion. Like I generally say, if it's a yes, it's a yes. If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a maybe, it's a no. At least for now. It doesn't mean to be for the rest of your life, but up until you understand why is it that it's not bringing you a sense of clarity. Okay. And so your energy, you work with like grid-like energy. Like I'm getting you have basically been moving around life, breaking systems, rebuilding systems, breaking systems, rebuilding systems, and creating bridges and burning bridges. I should have said that one actually, and burning bridges. And so in those systems, there are heads like witches and warlocks that are of the lower realm, right? The lower vibrational realm that holds the frequency of chaos and fear and so you go into those systems, you break them, you rebuild them, you create bridges, and you burn the bridges. And so look at what has happened to your life. Look at what you have done. Look at what has happened to your life. Look at what you have done. Look at how the many systems that you have gone to, how they have been broken down. Right? Just how they have been broken down. And some have been had bridges built, and some bridges have been burnt. And so usually the earth will say things like, don't burn your bridges and stuff like that, right? And the thing is, that's also putting into your mind doubt. So watch anyone who creates doubt for you. Anyone who needs to evaluate your work is already creating doubt, right? And the thing is, it's like you get to do what you need to do. It's different when it's teaching, because you are actually, you know what, it's always going to create some form of doubt, but you got to see the intention behind it, and then you got to see how that person is walking their talk with how they are perceiving information that needs to be corrected in their eyes. And a lot of your work now, you are understanding that it's not about seeking validation from the external. It's that internal pleasure of being able to do what it is that you have been called here to do without apologizing for it or needing validation or a second opinion, right? And so you kind of carry that energy with you. If you don't know, if you look at your past and how perhaps people would describe you as quite the go-getter, the one who's quite determined, the one who really takes up space a lot, and so you've from a young age you've made people feel uncomfortable. Even like older people, you make them feel uncomfortable because you challenge a lot of systems. You challenge them to question what it is they are demonstrating, what it is they are saying, and hoping that action will be taken place from that. And so you had a perfect pairing of parents, of course, because you chose each other to be able to help each other on this path where you would say, you're going to sacrifice. You're going to take the sacrifice, and I'm going to take the sacrifice too. This is the role you are going to play in my life. Because if you look at the role that they play in other people's lives, that's not what they have chosen. And so everything is on purpose. So you can also trust that they were playing the role for your benefit. And if you can eliminate your need to people please, then it will help you a lot better, a lot faster to align to your deepest truth. And so what I'm getting is, you are in some institution, some system that has been running for years and needed your energy to put up a facade. Because obviously if they can surround themselves with you, then it's almost like that can't be true. So observe association, who's trying to get association with you, the energy, how it feels. Be very discerning with energy. And usually you will feel it when you are most in silent. Some of you, I'm getting silent retreat. I don't know why I'm picking up India. I'm picking up near some mountains. I'm getting the Alpines. Is that even that is a place, right? I don't know if that's coming. Okay, so there might be a system within that one near there that some of you, I'm getting Switzerland. Is that near? I don't know. Okay, but I'm also picking up Switzerland. I'm picking up there's a place. Is that near the place? I'm getting confused now. Where there's snow, where you can snow. I'm getting there's a system there that someone is going to break or currently breaking. You are part of the system of breaking those generational curses that are there, and like the witches and warlocks that surround themselves in that zone. There's something very powerful that you're doing there. Just if you can, maybe what it's saying is there might be a time for you to take a break, to just go to India to do a silent retreat there, getting Himalayas. And it's not necessarily going to the Himalayas, but feeling the frequency, that comes with being there. So for some of you, like Ramdas says, it's the new earth is not about going to the Himalayas to be able to find your peace and your light. It's about being on this earth system within the grid and being able to anchor that into this world. And so that's a very major purpose that you have. But remember, you are here to break, you are here to rebuild, you are here to build bridges, the gap between bridges, and you are here to burn them bridges. And I'm getting something's about to go down, like something's about to burn. I don't know, something in your life is about to like burn and leave you. I'm seeing like, okay, bear with me with this image, like very high mountains. And then there's this, there's like a huge gap in between, and then what goes down there, who knows what's down there, but it's like a very high solid like mountain, but then there's a bridge that's going through. You know how they depict it in animation, that sort of thing. And so through that, I'm getting like, okay, hold on. So I'm getting, you were walking on it across, and somehow it's almost, I don't know, a double-edged sword. It was 11:11 as I said that, double-edged sword. So it's like being able to view things from both sides, and you'll see what resonates with you. But I'm getting they wanted to cut it, or they wanted to come across it, but the weight that they have, almost like at the same time there's like fire that burnt it. So at the same time, it's like this image, you burning, you bridge. Okay. You are burning the bridges by being light. You're going to take whatever you need to take from that one. But I'm told some of you are going to just really get what that means. You're going to burn the bridges by being light. Anyways, I am going to move on to the next thing. Enjoy your day. And if you'd like to contribute to this channel or go further or deeper into this reading, the information is in the description below.